Now we're going to see how long it takes us to build our 9 campaigns the way we like to build them with Sling PPC. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch here. We'll get to the interface and let's get our, we're going to get our campaign name. We're using the naming convention, and this is going to be an exact. It's for the United States. And it's for English. We're going to show ads to people in a targeted location. We're not targeting computers with this one. It's smartphones only. So we're going to go negative 100% on the bid adjustment, positive 100% on the bid adjustment for smartphones, and then negative 100 for tablets. We're going to put this in Bing OL and Yahoo sites only. Manual bid, search bid is going to be 55 cents. And we're going to just give this a date here. And an end date, start date and end date. Budget's going to be 50 a day. And we can now pick up our ad copy. So we'll just grab that up here and go here. And part 2. We wrote these beforehand because we like to do the writing all at the same time instead of writing as we go. Put that right there. Now we got description 1 and description 2. We'll just grab these really quick. Get these in here. This first one's going to take longer than the rest of them. The rest of them are going to go really quickly because all the information is already in there. So let's grab this, copy that, and this should be in your notes as well, and I'm just going to do that right now. We're making good time, so I'm just going to go ahead and take care of this little bit of housekeeping, and that's not it, so hold on here. Let me grab the correct URL, which is going to be this one. Go here, grab that, and back to here. And we're going to put that right in there and get rid of that trailing slash. Copy that. The housekeeping, you know, it's going to take a little bit of time, but that's okay. And we're going to put it as the mobile URL down here. Let's just make sure we don't have HTTP, the protocol here, so we'll just get rid of that. And now we're going to do path, and if you don't know what this means, it's okay. We'll show you later once you get into the tool. We're going to optimize for clicks. No, we're going to rotate ads more evenly because we want to test which ad is getting the most click-throughs. So we're going to start this about 6 o'clock in the morning. We're going to end our ads at about 10 p.m. So we'll just add that to the list. And we're going to grab our keywords now. And we'll just go get all that, put that in there, get rid of the naming convention and the white spaces, and we'll click submit. And it's going to take the tool just a few seconds to work. There it is, and I'm going to get rid of that, and we'll put this in here. And let's see. Okay, so that took us 4.5 minutes. And now we're going to create our other 8 campaigns a lot quicker. Now, if you don't know what we're doing here, it's probably explained in another video somewhere. Now we're going to go to phrase for smartphones. So all we have to do is change the name, change the keyword type, and we're going to change this as well. Nope, we're going to leave this as well because we're still going for smartphones and we want to exclude computers and tablets. Everything else is going to be the same. So all we have to do is submit. And there we go. Now how long did that take? About 45 seconds. Okay, so we're going to go to broad. And we're going to change this to broad. Everything else is going to be the same. We'll click submit. Alright, so there we go. We've built another campaign. And that one was 20 seconds, 22 seconds. Alright, now we're going to change to, we're going to go back to exact. And we're going to go from smartphones to tablets. Okay, so we change this back to exact. Everything is going to be the same except we're going for tablets now. So we're going to get rid of that negative. And we're going to put the negative here. This is called a bit adjustment. And everything else is going to be the same. We'll click submit. And there we go. Alright, now we're going to go to phrase for tablets. Change the keyword type to phrase. Everything else is going to be the same. And submit. All right, there we go. Now we're going to go to broad for tablets. Change this to broad. And everything's going to be the same. Everything else. Alright, we got that. And now we're going to target computers. With exact. Computers. So we'll go back to exact. And we're going to make this a positive. And we're going to add the negative to the tablets. Everything else is going to be the same. And click submit. There we go. Now let's go to phrase for computers. We'll change the phrase here. Everything else is going to be the same. Submit. Alright, now let's do broad. Everything's going to be the same. Okay, and now in a matter of 8 minutes and 30 seconds, we have created, show this in the folder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 campaigns for Bing that are targeted to the 3 different devices and the 3 different keyword match types. They're all going to be in separate campaigns. They're not going to compete with one another. And that's going to allow us to get a quick glimpse of our stats every day without having to download those confusing custom reports to tell us which keywords and which ads are converting the best. That's it. We'll see you in the next one.